This video provides a brief guide to changes to the Proteus 9 application framework. Starting with the global system settings, you can toggle between standard and dark mode themes and change the default icon signs according to your monitored DPI or personal preferences. On the Mode Selector toolbar, groups such as Simulation Tools and 2D Graphics can be collapsed or expanded. Switch between modes in collapse groups by right-clicking. Together with the icon size option, this allows you to hide functionality you use less often and make best use of screen size. In a similar vein, you can unpin the parts bin to maximize the editing window space. Clicking on the Minimize sidebar will then expand the parts bin. Finally, on the schematic, the Animation Control panel has a new icon for System Scope. This allows you to live probe running simulations for quick and easy signal analysis. On the layout side, changes are similar with the ability to collapse the pad mode and 2D graphics mode groups. The behaviour of the parts bin in different modes is quite different from previous versions. In selection mode, parts are grouped into placement side. The lock status of components is shown and there is a filter to restrict the results set. In component mode, both user-defined groups and project clips are shown in dedicated tree nodes. And in package mode, you can tag all placed instances from the right-click context menu. Via mode comes with brand new Via Inspector tool, allowing you to analyze the placed vias on the board or make bulk changes. The parts bin in zone mode shows place zones per layer, allowing quick tagging and access to zone inspector tools for detailed analysis. In rat's nests and connectivity highlight modes, you can use the length match and differential pair filter to restrict the parts bin to high-speed nets that show target length and compliance status at a glance. You can also switch the filter to test points, which will show the required number of test points per net and compliance status if you have set up rules, or just the placed number of test points if no rules are in force. Finally, room mode is split into placement rooms and design rule rooms with easy access to select and zoom from the right-click context menu. At the bottom of the editing window there is a new icon for layer display, allowing you to control what's visible on the board and also map views of the keyboard to keyboard shortcuts. The design rules and the connectivity rules are now shown docked on the right-hand side, maximising vertical space and making it easier to work through the list correcting errors. You can undock and float these windows as well as open and close them from the widgets at the bottom of the main application. Finally, the status bar now logs recent messages, which can be particularly helpful during route placement and length matching.